you're gonna call her Mag? Okay.
That's Abby's name.
You're done driving? Mommy's turn. Can you dance? Can you dance, Cassidy? Cassidy. Dance, dance, dance. Oh, you turned it off.
This is how I turn it off. Like that. This is up and up. Down.
Are they? It was cuter without your sippy cup. Can Mommy see your sippy cup? Thank you. You drive? No, you want it back? Can you say please?
Please.
Oh, goodness. Caster Daniel ran into me. Oh, my goodness. Look. She ran into Mommy. Look, stop. She was eating spaghetti. Are you all done eating spaghetti? That's a funny face. Grab the camera.
I want to see it.
Did you flip it over, Cassidy?
Did he flip it over? No.
Yes, he did, silly. Can you say yes? No, don't be mean. Let go. There you go. Oh, you want to look at the back of it? Cassidy, can you say yes? Say yes. Are y'all sharing?